What's up, everybody? Today I'm here into my auntie's house, and today I'm here with my bulldog. His name is Kiko. Say what's up, Kiko. His tail's too short, I don't know why. And basically this dog fight a bull from Australia. Whole bunch of dogs. This dog, but different colors, because some of them bite and this one doesn't. And also there's a little one. I'll make another video of it today, I don't know when, but the next Saturday I am gonna bring my dog. His name's Coco. Shout out to him. You see in the little thing of the pictures, you see one of my dogs wearing an orange jacket. The orange jacket is called Coco Fireman thing. And basically, you know the black one with the green sweater, his name's Baxter. And the other one, I don't know what kind of sweater does he have. He has a black sweater. His name is Mickey. And the two bunnies are called Michael and Michelle. And the dragon is called Mind Flyer. Not Mind Flyer. Mind Mint. And basically, the dog in the middle, it's called Jack. No, not Jack. I forgot. This other dog. What are you looking at? Kiko. Here, let me get the ball. Let me play for him about a minute. Basically, this dog's so cool. Like what I say about those names, that the my name in the what's it called? The middle one. His name is Jack. I forgot because I had this 3D pixel. Ow! This 3D pixel, and I used to have a name. And I first decorated my character today. I have a Minecraft. I'll show you guys my brothers and sisters. My dogs are in my my friend's house because they miss those dogs. Because I got it from them. My two bunnies is with. Oh wait, did I forgot the cat? Oh, the cat's name is I forgot. I think it was Simba. I don't know. Because I used to have a lot of pets in the year, and yeah. So they're basically gone, and I only have Coco. Mickey is basically with my mom. She is now at the vet. At the vet. He's gonna stay there for a month. Okay? So now you get it why my dogs are not here. Because I'm in my auntie's house. Coco is basically by himself at the house. I wanted to bring him here so I can show him my dog. And yeah. See you guys. Bye.